Hello to you traders and welcome to the Top 10 CAD Expert Advisors Algorithmic Trading Strategies course. In this introductory lecture, I will cover what we will go through in this course, and we are going to start with the first steps to algorithmic trading for the beginner traders. I will cover the very basics of the MetaTrader platform, which is one of the most common platforms for Forex trading, and it allows trading with expert advisors. I'm going to introduce the very newbie traders with the expert advisors, or the so-called robots for trading that we use. As well, I will teach you how to export the historical data of your broker, because this is a very important first step if you want to backtest experts, generate your strategies, or if you want to create your own expert advisors. And you will learn how you can do that even you don't have any previous trading experience or programming skills. Then I will explain what robustness with the expert advisors is. This is the key point in algorithmic trading, and it is very important for every trader that uses expert advisors to know how to recognize the robust strategies. I am going to teach you how to perform robustness testing if you use MetaTrader platform. This is one of the oldest methods, I can say, and it is still very effective and very logical to follow. I will teach you how to use the strategy builders to perform robustness testing. And here we have three validations. One is the walk forward validation, the second one is the Monte Carlo, and the last one is the multi-market. These are different instruments that I use to decide which strategies are robust and which strategies I can depend on while I am trading. After that, I will show you the actual trading with the expert advisors. You will learn step by step how to place them properly on the MetaTrader and test them on a demo account. In the end, I will demonstrate to you how to follow the results of each of the 10 EAs. This way you will know which expert advisors you want to trade. I would like to give you some quick tips for this course and the lectures. For all of our courses, we have prepared closed captions. This is very useful if you're in a crowded place or you cannot play audio. Just click on the CC button at the right corner down and you will see all the words while I'm speaking. And as I mentioned speaking, some people find my speech too fast, and for others I might sound too slow. Either way, you can control the playback speed. If you think I go too fast, you can slow it down to 75x, or if you think I go too slow, you can increase the speed by choosing 125x. Now, very important, there are resource files attached to some of the lectures. Make sure to download them and learn from them. For example, in lecture 3, you will find attached the scripts to download historical data and a PDF with the basics of algorithmic trading. You will learn what are the different chart types, the different time frames, how to compile the expert advisors, and there are instructions on how to export the historical data. And in lecture 12, you will find the 10 expert advisors attached, plus PDF with instructions how to place those EAs on the platform and how to follow the results. Also, when I update the course, you will find the updated EAs there. If you like that video, do not forget to like it, and if you want to see some free videos from our courses, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell so you will get notified when we upload new content. Now, it's time to get started, and I will see you straight away in the next video.